Basta ako lang daw may ibibigay mamaya. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Then diretso natin. After the money bouquet, diretso tayo for one of the traditional ring before you blow the candle. And after this, we will be continuing our program for the 80th birthday of Mom Loreen. Okay? So make a wish before you blow the candle. Ano po ang lighter? Sige po. So, Mom Loreen, make a wish before you blow the candle.